Welcome to my channel Tech Research, and in today's video I am going to show you how you can upload your recently published research paper, conference paper or journal or article on ResearchGate. ResearchGate is a very good platform which keeps a track of different researchers and is also a network community where you can collaborate with different researchers and read their research work. I have already created a video on how to create an account on ResearchGate and how to access different research papers using ResearchGate. So let's see in today's video how you can upload your existing or recently published research paper on ResearchGate. So write on internet browser ResearchGate and click on the first link. Just log in with your credentials. So this is my credential. This is my home page. For example, if you want to add your research work, there are two ways. You can add here, add new research, or you can also click on the tab on upper hand right hand side, that is add new. Once you click on this tab, these are the different options that are shown to you. You can keep a track of your entire research work online using ResearchGate by selecting any of the option. As it was a conference paper, like recently published a conference paper, I'll just show you what you can do. So while after clicking that tab, there will be two options, like you can add a private file or a public file. Let's, if you don't want to make it your file to be public, just keep it as a private, or you can also skip the entire step. For example, I'll just say skip for a moment, and when you say it is a conference paper, and then just add, and you have to write the title of your conference paper. For example, this is my paper which I want to add to ResearchGate. Just write the entire title of your paper, add more others, that is it is Raghava Rao Mukkamala, and the date when it is published is 2020, so it is 20 July 2020. As you can see, it provides a link to your research online and make it easy people for you to cite. So is this, then it will show you for the matches that it has been come up with, and then you have to select if it is a proper paper which you are targeting or aiming to submit in your ResearchGate account. Just select, and as you can see, it has shown the list of the papers that has been selected with this particular title. Then you have to just select and continue. Once you click on that, it has been added to your conference paper list. Let's view it. Now as you can see on ResearchGate account, it shows what are the papers that has been added to my ResearchGate account. In this way you can add more of your research papers on ResearchGate and keep an entire track of ResearchGate online, all your research papers online. As you can see, all below it will provide you the list of the entire, it will provide you the paper, and also you can share this link with many of your researchers which you are feeling to collaborate, or you can also save the file. In this way you can create your own list of research papers that has been published and bring down to a very beautiful platform on ResearchGate. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research for updated notifications regarding technology and research. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.